friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Tong 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 Sahur from Italian Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started over on the left-hand side. We're going to split our face in half. So we're going to come down right in the middle, drawing in an oval for the mouth. And then we're going to step up, curving this line over, tucking that back down on the right. Let's just color in that open space on the top, black. Let's move up on a diagonal now. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height. Let's move over towards the inside now. Let's draw in another circle for the eyeball. On the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle for that highlight. Let's come underneath for the pupil, stepping below, curving this back around, tucking that back in. And then we're going to color that in black. Let's move up now. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this out and in for the eyebrow. And then finishing off the rest of the eyebrow, we're just going to round that out from the inside edge, tucking that back down. Let's move up now. We're going to draw in the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, tucking that into the center. Now on the right-hand side, let's continue to curve this up, arching this over and across. Let's round out the top of the bowl here. So we're just going to curve this over and down on the right-hand side. Let's step up. We're going to replicate that. So we're just going to curve this line across again to the right. Moving up, we're going to curve this line around and back down on the right. Let's step in again one more time, moving down, curving this over and through on the right-hand side. Now let's come up. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in an arch line up above. We're going to step out again. We're going to curve this line over. And then from that point, just arching this around and down. Let's step out, curving this across, arching this around and back down. Moving up, curving this over, and then again, arching this around and down on the right. Let's move across now. We're going to curve this line out, and then arching this around and in. Again, on the side here, curving this over and down, and then right in the center, just drawing in a small curved line. Close that off on the top with another curved line, and then moving out, arching that across again. Now let's come down. So beside the eye stepping over, we're going to draw in an arch line on the right hand side, and this is where the arm is going to come down from. So we'll start on the bottom and we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the top, ending that at the same distance there. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. And then we'll curve this line up and over. Let's draw on the bat here coming down. So on the top here from that point, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We'll do the exact same thing as we step up above. Now from here, we're going to draw in an oval. We'll continue this around the back. So imagining this falls through, just two small diagonal lines, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line. Let's round this out underneath that, curving this around, tucking that back in. Let's continue to close off the hand. So on the top here, we're going to curve this around and down. And then we're going to curve this over and through on the top. Let's continue to round this out. So on the corner here, curving this down and in. Extending this through underneath the body, arching that over to the center. Now on the left, we're going to continue to curve this down, arching this around and in, blending that together. Let's step up now. We're going to curve this line across. We're going to curve this over just above our eye, extending that into the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this line out and across. Now coming underneath, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines. So we're going to arch that into the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, arching that over and in, blending that together in the middle. Now let's come down on the left-hand side, curving that out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right for the leg. Stepping in again, curving that even further down to the bottom. Now we're going to bring this line down. So we're going to tuck this in, out, and then back in. For the back heel of the foot, curving that over and through. Now for the toe, we're just going to arch this around, out, tucking that back in. Let's mirror that on the opposite side. Let's step out again, curving this over and through to the top. Again, moving out, replicating that. And then again, one more time, curving this out, in, and then back up. Let's continue to bring this up to the knee now. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this through to the top. And now let's round the knee out. So we're going to arch this over, in, and back up. Now let's come down. We're going to arch this line across. Let's move up, drawing in 2 curved lines on the top of the foot. And that is it. That's how you draw Tong 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 Sahur from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.